This is the group combinations calculator for mathcelebrity.com. To get to the calculator, you type group combinations. So I've got two input boxes here. The first is everybody in your main group, and the second box is the subgroups that you want to form for the main group. So for the first problem, we're going to take a group of 5 men, 7 women, and see how many combinations can we form with 3 men and 2 women. Now on both the main box and the subgroup box, you separate each type of person with a comma. So go ahead and press calculate. So it says out of 5 men and 7 women, how many groups, teams can be formed using 3 men and 2 women. So what the calculator does is it takes each item in the group. So for instance, first we take men, then we take women, and we form combinations. So these links here, how many combinations of 3 men from a total of 5? If you click this link real quickly, we've got another video on this calculator. This takes you to our combinations calculator. So basically 5 choose 3. And what the calculator is going to do is pull this answer here. But we do open the window in a separate window to show you the math behind the answer. And if you were to click this, it would show you 7 choose 2. So this line breaks down the answer that we get from that lesson. So in this case 10, and then 7 choose 2 is 21, and finally we get our answer of 210. So basically there's 210 ways you can form a group of 3 men, 2 women from a main group of 5 men, 7 women. Now let's run another problem, but this time let's add somebody else into the mix. Let's take 3 dogs, and we're going to choose 2 dogs. So we enter a comma and then 3 dogs, and then comma and 2 dogs. So go ahead and press calculate. So this time we're going to have group teams of 7 because we're going to add 2 dogs. So 5 choose 3 and 7 choose 2 were from our original problem, as you remember. Now we add into the mix dogs. 3 choose 2. So there's 630 ways that you can form teams of 7 using 3 men, 2 women, and 2 dogs. And we'll do one more problem for you to show you the power of the calculator. So let's take 5 cats, and we'll choose 2 cats. Press calculate. So now we have a 4th line of math, and one more link to our combinations calculator, 5 choose 2. So 5 choose 2 is 10. Our last answer was 630, but then if you add another 10 factor into the mix, we have 6,300 ways you can form this group. So that's pretty much it. Pretty simple to use. For people who have watched our videos before, we've got a generate practice problem button. If this is your first Math Celebrity video, I'll show you this very quickly. You press this button once, and it generates a completely random practice problem for you for this box and this box. Then you press the button again, and you'll get another random practice problem. So if you want, when you run out of problems in your textbook, you can use this. And then you just press calculate on your practice problem, and it runs your numbers for you. If you got any questions or enhancement suggestions, please use the Contact Us link. Thanks for watching.